For the finest in Jacksonville living, come home to the Club at Charter Pointe. Experience a lifestyle of convenience. Our location near St. Johns River gives you quick access to the area's most impressive shops and restaurants, lush golf courses, exciting entertainment, and downtown Jacksonville, Mayport, and Jacksport. No matter where you'd like to go, our Hot University Club address is the coolest spot to call home. Our community's resort-style features make living at the Club at Charter Pointe unlike any other. Enjoy strolling around our community lake or head to our impressive clubhouse where you can take part in a variety of activities. Surf the web in our business center, stay active in the fitness center, or just meet up and chat with your neighbors. We even offer a refreshing pool, as well as a fun tennis court. The homes at the Club at Charter Pointe are what truly sets us apart. With extra-large 2- and 3-bedroom floor plans, we're sure to have a home to fit your needs. Our sunny kitchens with full appliance package will help make cooking enjoyable, while our living rooms and secluded patio and balcony areas are perfect for relaxing. For your added convenience, you'll also have the option of in-home washer and dryer units or hookups. For all the very best that Jacksonville has to offer, look no further. Call or stop by the Club at Charter Pointe today.